Dear students, I am your teacher from Government Girls High School, Wilgam. As a moment of pleasure, once again I am present before you in an offline class for your subject Social Science. It's for 8th class of the school. And you know, these days we are dealing the geography part of this subject. In previous classes, I discussed things regarding human resources with you. Today I am going to enter a new chapter from geography part of your social science. The chapter is Industries of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. Here in this chapter I am going to deal things. I am going to tell you that what we know and we need to know about the industrial sector of the UTs of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. Dear students, I will today try to discuss with you that Kashmir is known for its handicrafts. How it is known for its handicrafts. We will discuss it. And this way, we will start our chapter Industries of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. In coming lessons and future lessons, classes, I will share other things related to this topic with you as per the boundaries and limits of my syllabus. I hope you may be paying a keen interest towards this. For increasing your knowledge and for examination point of view, for preparing yourselves for the forthcoming examinations. Kashmir is known for its handicrafts. I will discuss this. I will tell you basic things about this. At present, a great part of population is busy in this work and getting great economic returns from handicrafts. Handicrafts of Kashmir include qaleen making, paper mache, embroidery, metalware, wicker work, leather work and wood carving. In Kashmir Valley, namdas are made of wool of good quality and old woolen blankets are used for gabba making. Carpet weaving is the gift of Central Asia. These products are highly priced all over the world with demand. There is a unique, attractive handicraft of Kashmir. Paper, pulp, etc., shaped into several types of decorative items and colorful designs, are also painted on them. Kashmir is also famous for wicker willow, which is used for making baskets, boxes, lamps, chairs, etc. Dear students, this was a brief introduction, brief information for you about the handicrafts of Kashmir. I mean Kashmir Valley. You know, presently, as per the geographical distribution by the administration, the state of Jammu and Kashmir is now divided into two union territories: Jammu Kashmir, one union territory, and Ladakh, another. Presently, I was discussing the handicrafts of Kashmir Valley that here we have. I tried to give you the basic information about the handicrafts of Jammu and Kashmir. We can discuss much more also about this topic, but I've already told you that here we have to remain within the parameters of our syllabus. For that, I gave you a brief account, a brief introduction about how Kashmir is known for its handicrafts. You saw there are so many handicrafts for which our Kashmir Valley is known, and this has a worldwide demand, a worldwide fame. Perhaps this is sufficient for this class. I will be meeting again with you with more information about this topic and other topics as well. Till then, I'm leaving you with prayers and good wishes, wishing you a good future and a nice day ahead. Thank you.